Hello.
Hello. Happy April 13th. Up until about half hour ago, it was raining all day. So I think it inspired the choice of song today.
By my favorite pop contralto, Karen Carpenter. We Are Not Worthy. Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing